iPrice coupon whenever you shop on Shopee or Lazada or any other online store. We have lots of stores that collect coupons for you guys. Jangan lupa visit iPrice ya. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to do unboxing for the Keybest makeup that I recently bought. I bought around 150 ringgit worth of products, but actually it is more expensive. Claim 10% coins cashback, and I also have the free shipping code, so it became cheaper. If you're curious, the lip color I'm using right now is the Faux Allure Stay Max Cheek and Lip Tint. This one is in the shade number 7, Orange Soda, and it has a matte finish and it stains my lip quite nice. I like the color, it makes my skin look fair on the screen, but I'm not. So before I start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also leave a comment down below what are the other makeup brands that you have found on Shopee. Macam sekarang ni yang famous Faux Allure, O2O, lepas tu ada Sass Lady, and then now I found Keybest, and adakah brand lain yang belum saya cuba lagi. I'm extremely curious to try because it's kind of fun trying cheap makeup. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. It's really hot in this room, and how unprofessional is that? My backdrop. Don't look at it. Anyway, let me share my experience buying from Keybest. They have their own official store, if I'm not mistaken, and it was quite cheap, actually extremely cheap. Shipping was fast. It took about 1 week, like 7-8 days, paling lama 9 hari, and everything came in a good condition. Tiada yang pecah, tiada yang hilang, terkurang ke terlebih. I think ada terlebih. They give one free gift, if I'm not mistaken lah. And yeah, so far it was a good experience. Let's move directly to the first items right in front of me, which is the bullet lipstick. This one is mini size and bentuk dia macam ubat pil yang kita makan kalau sakit. And fun fact, dia punya shade name, stiker tu dilekat di luar plastik yang wrap ni. So what I did was I peel it off and then I stick it back using the sellotape, because if not, I will forget all the shades name. And since all color looks quite similar to each other, so lagilah penting untuk ada shades name. And this one is around 1 ringgit 50 cent. It was really cheap, and I think I bought all of the shades available. Shade number 1, which is Polish. So semua bentuk macam ni, and dia sepanjang jari kelingking saya sahaja. Ngam-ngam. Okay. Typical bullet lipstick. It has like chocolatey smell. It looks like it will break anytime soon. Macam you cannot apply too much pressure, otherwise it will break, patah. So let's swatch it. Oh, memang patah sis. Nampak ada bergerak-gerak. Oh my god. Okay. It's quite pigmented. Number 2 there. Warna dia ni semua macam warna yang sesuai untuk daily makeup. So jangan keluarkan terlampau tinggi, nanti dia patah. Wow, cantiknya warna itu. Baiklah. Number 3, chili. Stiker dia terkoyak-koyak sebab ganas. It's not as red as I expected. Quite pink, macam Barbie pink. 4, plum. This one is so nice. Wow. 5, retro. This one is like orange-ish. No, it's like orange-ish brown. Number 6, Lady Q. That's Lady Q. Overall, warna semua pigmented. Semuanya ada glossy finish. Dia tidak matte. It looks more like a creamy lipstick. And my personal favorite is number 1, number 2, and then number 4. Yang lain cantik juga, but it's not like the type of color that I will usually go for. We have a dupe or fake version. This is the Beauty Finishing Loose Powder, and it's in the shade number 4, Lucent Beige. I call it dupe or fake because it looks exactly similar with the Charlotte Tilbury logo or design. Even warna pun mengingatkan kepada Charlotte Tilbury. You got a sponge. Oh, and you have like this cover here, so bedak tu tidak akan tumpah. You have mirror. This is new. I rarely see loose powder have mirror attached to it. You guys can see how it looks. It's kind of similar to my skin dupe or another fake version from a famous brand. I believe this looks like Fenty Beauty packaging, and this one is their cream contour and also cream blusher. The blusher is in the shade number 3, Telling Grow, and this is called the Velvet Soft Blush Cream Contour Shadow Stick, and this one is in the shade number 1, Orange Pink. So packaging cantik, not gonna lie, but it feels cheap. It feels like low quality plastic. Harga dalam RM10, so RM5 each cream product. Okay, it looks a bit orange, which fair enough. The shade's name is Orange Pink. Oh, super creamy, yang almost rasa oily. I'm not sure how I feel about that. That is extremely orange and greasy. The blush, warna cantik di pen, is actually like a muted down or muted pink, but on the screen it looks brown. Actually it's not. Also have the same consistency as the contour cream. It looks super oily, look at that. It's so shiny. Oh my god. Here's the blush. I have oily skin, so I cannot really use cream product that much because it will tend to slip and slide on my skin. Tapi I will do it for the sake of the Keybest video. We have mascara. This one, Charm Big Eyes Mascara, and it looks like a typical mascara in the drugstore. Normally, I don't have big hopes for Shopee mascara because they tend to not do what they claim to do. It smells weird most of the time, and it has like that small bristles, so dia macam boleh pakai untuk lower lash line juga. Super wet consistency, macam yang dia akan transfer ke bawah ni kalau pakai. I bought 2 single eyeshadow because it reminds me of Colourpop Super Shock shadow, and they're literally duping Colourpop. Cumanya packaging warna berbeza. Colourpop putih, diorang ni hitam. Silky Bright Monochrome Eyeshadow number 15, yang ini Spark. This one number 8, Pasquire. Okay, looks like a full blown metallic eyeshadow on the pen, so I hope it really is metallic. Wow, wow. Dalam pot nampak sangat cantik ya. Wow, super silky. Ooh. This one is a bit macam rough. Dia rasa macam cream eyeshadow instead. Dia ada that creamy bouncy texture and it looks super metallic. That is like pure pigment. Okay. This one. We have mascara, and I bought colorful ones because again they are copying Colourpop. I remember I really wanted to try the Colourpop colorful mascara, but I couldn't because I was broke at that time. And then I see this being sold for like only RM9. It's definitely less than RM10. This one is called the volumizing mascara, and I remember Colourpop packaging also looks like this. Let's see how it looks inside. Oh, this one shade number 6, red. This one number 7, yellow. Hourglass figure bristles. It's quite big. The formulation looks okay, tidak terlalu basah atau melekit. This is yang warna kuning. Ini warna kuning, okay. Velvet Matte Waterproof Lip Gloss. So it's a lip matte. This one is in the shade number 6, Rosy Clouds. Oh, this one smells exactly like the bullet lipstick just now, like that chocolate nut-ish scent. I don't think it looks this orange pink or like coral pink in the photo. It's quite pigmented. This is definitely way too coral for my liking. Concealer, diorang jual satu jenis concealer sahaja kalau saya tidak salah. This one is the Concealer Refreshing Concealer Refreshing Silky. Mungkin pakai Google Translate ya masa buat produk ni. 3 natural. Rasanya diorang ada 4 shade atau 3 shade sahaja. And it comes with like that sponge tip applicator. Produk ni sikit. sekejap. And it looks really fair for my skin tone. Walaupun ini yang kononnya natural shade. Twist this one until the product comes out. Bila mau keluar? Bosku, bila mau keluar? Macam bila mau keluar je. This thing is not coming out. Oh, okay, yay! Finally terkeluar my skin. Oh, it actually not that fair. Dia tidaklah seputih yang saya jangka. It's actually okay lah untuk warna kulit. Mungkin bila sudah pakai dengan foundation nanti nampak lagi okay. Terlebih pula picit. Alang-alang sudah cakap pasal concealer ni, so saya akan tunjuk terus dia punya foundation. This looks familiar, right? I wonder where have I seen this before? Berpura-pura untuk tidak ingat. Yes, it's exactly from the KBD Vegan Beauty Foundation packaging. Ini betul-betul kopi ya, 100% sama kalau saya tidak salah. Magic Mirror Matte Foundation, 30ml produk di dalam. Yang ni shade nombor 4 nude. Hopefully it's nude enough for me. Dia macam every time saya beli di Shopee, kalau dia ada shade yang macam natural ataupun nude, normally saya akan pilih shade yang itulah dengan harapan dia cukup natural untuk kulit saya. Oh, kenapa kau terkeluar? Baiklah. Dia terkeluar dengan sendiri. Dia sangat excited untuk cuba di swatch. Sampaikan dia jemput diri sendiri untuk keluar. Macam mana ni? Foundation lagi terang daripada... no, bukan terang. Lagi cerah daripada concealer. And dia macam melimpah keluar. Please hold. Please hold. Ada eyebrow pencil. Freely drawing. Long lasting eyebrow pencil. Sorry lah, dia macam ter-overexpose pula video hari ni. This one is in the shade number 2, dark brown. Sebelah ni ada produk, sebelah ni ada spoolie. Oh! They're copying Fenty Beauty, I think. It's not a regular spoolie, like I don't even remember it has this sikat type of spoolie. Nampak tak? Dia macam bersegi juga. Triangular ataupun boxy tip, dia bukan yang bulat. There's the pigment. Hard formulation, dia keras. You have to tekan sikit supaya dia nampak di kulit. Maybe it's nice to draw like hair like strokes, you know, like that brush strokes supaya kening nampak natural gitu. Dua eyeshadow palette. I was super excited for this because in the photos it looks super cantik, super macam wow, tertarik untuk membeli. But also it reminds me of Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. I think diorang ni banyak dupe ataupun buat fake version of popular brands. The red one is Bloody Mary. Tengok ba packaging dia? Oh my god, A+. Lepas tu ni Purple Rain. One is like 10 ringgit. Macam biasa, dalam ni ada plastic seal macam ni. I really like the packaging yang transparent atau translucent macam ni. I feel like it's new and there's really any brands doing this. Dia punya pen size pun kecil, comel je. Okay, let me open the book. Open dia cool tone palette. So, not really my favorite tone. I like warm eyeshadow color like this red one here. See? Can you see how much cooler tone this purple eyeshadow is? Okay. Ooh, because this one attracts my eyes the most, and then this one matte super soft, or maybe this matte lilac color here. Okay, we are almost done with this video. Sabar ya, jangan lupa click out. Powder highlighter. This one is in shade number 2. Packaging holographic, quite nice, and it's in hexagon form. So dia macam estetik lah. Kotak dia, dia bukannya plastik. And we have a mirror here. It has quite a big pen. Dia sebesar telapak tangan. Okay, boleh lah. Cumanya it has a strong purple undertone. Dia macam on the pen, it looks white kan. Tapi di tangan, nampak tak dia purple? Kalau gerak-gerakan tangan. They have 2 eyeliner. Dan ini eyeliner yang saya rasa ada orang tiru Colourpop juga. Kod nombor 7 dan 5. Harapnya boleh nampak lah sangat kecil di situ. Dia macam pen warna budak-budak dulu. Like I will look at that. Betul, dia macam craft punya pen. Okay, on the screen it looks nice, tapi sebenarnya dia agak watery dan tidak berapa pigmented, but it's buildable. This one is like 2-3 strokes of the eyeliner. This one is 1 stroke. See, it's not that pigmented, but it's definitely buildable. Nombor kedua last product adalah lip liner. Dia datang dalam kotak macam ni. Lipstick Pro Pencil, high pigmented, smooth and lasting. Saya beli 4 shade yang berbeza. Salah satu daripada lip liner tu ada free product, which is another lip liner. Ini nombor 1, kod nombor 1. So saya beli ni sebabnya dia sangat murah, dan at the same time review semua cakap yang this is super creamy and pigmented, yang diorang sendiri tidak expect lip liner ni akan se-creamy macam ni. Only thing is that it's in pencil form, so dia kena arut, kena asah kalau mau tajamkan. This one is the free gift, number 1. Super creamy, my god. Okay, this one number 1. Wow, sangat creamy ya, tidak perlu tekan. You don't have to press hard in order for the color to transfer on the skin. Super nice. Nombor 1. Kod nombor 7. So far so good. Kod nombor 4. This one reminds me of Kylie Jenner punya lip color. We have stick eyeshadow, and this is probably the free gift because I don't remember purchasing any cream eyeshadow or stick eyeshadow. It's in the shade number 3, Vampire. Packaging cantik, dia macam 3 segi. Can you see? Product name is Lasting Smooth Creamy Key-Base Eyeshadow. Packaging yang lebih kurang sama dengan eyebrow pencil, cuma ini lagi pendek. It's twistable like this. Can you see? Ini sangat merah ya teman-teman. Wah. Dan dia nampak macam agak waxy. It feels more like a lipstick, like lip liner, rather than a stick eyeshadow. Kita sudah pun sampai ke akhir video. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I'm not sure why I speak in Malay in this video, but I'm not in the mood to speak English, so that's why I speak Malay. Okay, so enjoy the long weekend. I will do a full face of Key-Best after this. And thank you so much for watching and subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!